So further extensions on JavaQuest past the core functionality of the game include sounds. Now, if you're in a time-sensitive environment like a classroom, you might avoid these extended features in the menus and the sounds. Sound in the menus not too bad. Sound, don't waste too much time. But if you have the time for it, sound can be a really nice thing to add to your project. Now, JavaQuest is only able to handle one sound at a time. I'll show you how it's able to handle it though. With JavaQuest versions 1.3 and onwards, there should be included a dance1.wave file inside of the sound effects, the SFX folder inside JavaQuest. This is a little dance tune that I wrote, and you can use it in your projects if you like. I'll go and turn up my sound so you can hear it. So we have an idea of what it sounds like. So that's just a little thing you can use for free. Alright, we're going to add that sound in. So here's how we do it. Let's say we wanted the game to just start with a sound. Well, we're going to do top dot play sound sfx // and then dance1.wave file. Now, notice that's very similar to how you did images, right? The / and the folder name here. This is how I'm been doing it because I want to make sure that you have a very easy way to actually access this stuff. So we do that, compile, run it. There we go. And you can go through the game, but anytime you come back out to the you restart the game, it should restart. Yeah, so that's fun. Alright, so that's honestly the very easy part right there. You can just have it playing whenever you do play sound. Now let's say we do this a little bit better. I don't really want this dance tune to play everywhere. Actually, let me just go ahead and have it here. Let's say I want it to just be on the main menu. Well, then I can go ahead and once I enter perform behavior, let's go and say that once we enter perform behavior, so once we're into the actual game off the start menu, we do we can do top.stop current sound, and it will stop whatever sound is currently playing. In this case, our start menu sound or dance sound. Start the game up. And let's go somewhere. Okay, it's quiet again. Come back here. Our start menu song is back. And it's quiet again. Alright, so the stop current sound is useful because you can have it now. Let's say we did something like this. Like, let's say we had brainstorming here. Let's say that we had a start menu, but then if we go into the cave, we want to stop that sound. And then let's say we had a sound or song for the cave. Let's pretend we have one. So what we do is we do that. So that way then it would stop the start menu song and play the sound we want to play during the cave. This could be creepy music, it could be cave sound effects, it could really be whatever you feel would be right for it. And then you also do have the ability, in case you ever need it, again I don't know why you would need it, but if you do, let's say right here if we go to the valley, let's say we want to restart whatever song was playing, you could very easily do top.restart current sound, and that right there would restart whatever was playing. And that's it. That's all you really need for sounds. Alright, good luck. Find some nice sounds for you. Don't waste too much time finding sounds if you don't have time to waste. Alright, Thank you.